Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be making this Ankara Boubou. So the first thing I did is to get the length of my client, and I folded using the length with 1.5 inches hemming allowance. You can use 1 inch actually. So I folded the fabric into two because we are cutting together. It's a boubou, right? So the shoulder is going to be together. We're not cutting separately. After that, then I folded into another two, making it 4, just like you can see in the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the excess so we can work with what we actually need. So I'm going to hem this part, that hem inside. I'm going to fold it in, take it to the machine and hem, after which we're going to work on the neck area. This is a very simple project. So for the neck, you're going to determine what you want as the neck width and what you want as the neck depth. In this case, I used 4 inches by 5 inches, 4 inches width and 5 inches depth. After which you're going to make that into, connect the measurements, then you cut it out, then you take your bias strip, use that to finish the neckline. We all know how to do that. The next thing we want to do is to now take our measurements on the side. So this boubou is going to be sewn on the outside. That is why I folded, making sure the fabric is on the right side. So you're going to get your armhole opening, determine what you want depending on the size of your client. Then from there, which is like the chest line now, you're going to take your bust measurement divided by 4. Then you're going to add ease of 1 inch, 1.5, depending on how free you want it on your client or how free your client wants it. Then after that, you're going to get your waistline, do the same thing, your waist measurement divided by 4 plus your ease, mark it down, then you have to connect it. Then you go to your hip line, take your hip measurement divided by 4 plus your ease allowance. Also, you're going to mark that and you're also going to connect it. Now you're going to move to your knee line or to the hem of the gown. Whatever you have on your hip line is what you're going to also mark there. This gown is going to be having like a 10 inches or 12 inches side slit, so we're not going to be sewing down to the hem. So I'm trying to measure what the slit is going to be. So it's about 10, 11, 12 inches. So that means my measurement, my sewing is going to stop before the 11, 12 inches. So I'm just going ahead to transfer what I have on this side to the other side of the fabric so that it will be easy for me to sew on the machine. Just instead of just opening the fabric all over again and marking again, I'm just transferring what I have on this side. I'm transferring it to the other side, after which I'm going to go ahead and pin it down so the fabric does not move while sewing. That can actually alter the measurement. So you're going to also make a marking and you're going to be sewing on the marking. And guys, trust me, that is just all. This is all you need for this style, this Ankara Boubou. And I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, sew down on those lines that I just made, and here you have it. Our Ankara Boubou is ready. So guys, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and we'll see again in another video. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye.